Once upon a time in the quiet village of Meadows Higher, lived a young girl named Lucy. She was known for her gentle nature and warm smile. One day, the busy parents of Meadows Higher needed someone trustworthy to look after their little ones, and that's when Lucy became the most sought-after babysitter in town. Lucy, with her twinkling blue eyes and a heart full of kindness, took on the responsibility with great joy. Her first job was to babysit the lively Johnson twins, Timmy and Tommy. Their house, adorned with colorful toys and giggles, was a place filled with boundless energy. As Lucy entered the Johnsons' home, she was greeted by the delightful chaos of children playing hide-and-seek. With her calming presence, she effortlessly joined in the fun. Lucy wasn't just a babysitter, she was a friend to the children, creating a magical bond that made them feel safe. The afternoon unfolded with tales of enchanted kingdoms and daring adventures. Lucy, with her gentle voice, painted vivid images that transported the children into a world of imagination. Snack time was a grand affair as Lucy prepared a feast of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, accompanied by glasses of milk. The children's laughter echoed through the house as they enjoyed their tasty treats. As the day turned to evening, Lucy skillfully orchestrated bedtime rituals. Bath time became a bubbly escapade, and toothbrushing turned into a hilarious game. The children, now wrapped in cozy blankets, listened eagerly as Lucy spun bedtime stories, soothing them into a peaceful slumber. Word quickly spread around Meadows Higher about Lucy's magical babysitting skills. Soon, parents lined up, hoping to secure her services for an evening of tranquility and trust. Lucy embraced each opportunity with open arms, turning every babysitting session into a memorable adventure. Lucy's reputation as the village's favorite babysitter grew, and she became a beloved figure in the hearts of both children and parents. Her warmth and care transformed Meadows Higher into a haven of joy and security for families. And so, in the heart of Meadows Higher, Lucy continued to sprinkle her magic, leaving behind a trail of laughter, dreams, and the sweet scent of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. The village thrived, knowing they had a babysitter like no other, Lucy, the enchanting guardian of Meadowshire's little ones.